The brain, a marvel of evolution. Everything you need to know. Did you know that the human brain heats up when it works? Research has found that its temperature can rise to 104 degrees Fahrenheit higher than the rest of the body. This temperature shows that the brain is healthy, but unusual heat signatures could indicate brain damage or a disorder. Interestingly, female brains are slightly warmer than male brains, possibly due to the menstrual cycle. Daily variations in brain temperatures are within 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit on average. Brains are cooler at night and warmer during the day, and older people's brains tend to run hotter than those of younger individuals. This study suggests potential avenues for diagnosing and treating brain damage or disorders. Inhaled ultrafine toxic air pollution particles can invade the brain and cause neuroinflammation and severe cognitive decline. These particles, including calcium, iron, malleate, and titanium dioxide, can move from the lungs into the bloodstream and become embedded in brain tissue. The blood-brain barrier, which usually only permits small molecules through, appears to be the invasion point. This alarming finding highlights the potential dangers of air pollution and its impact on brain health. Face blindness, or prosopagnosia, is a neurological disorder characterized by the inability to recognize familiar faces. People with this condition are aware that they are perceiving a face but cannot identify whose face it is, even if it's a family member or their own face. Celebrity Brad Pitt, who suffers from prosopagnosia, has spoken about the challenges he faces due to this disorder. It affects approximately 1 in 50 people and may be caused by abnormalities in a part of the brain called the fusiform gyrus. Research suggests that psilocybin mushrooms could be a potential treatment for major depressive disorders. Psilocybin, once converted into psilocin in the intestines, has psychoactive properties that can break the obsessive hold of negative thoughts on depressed individuals. This allows for more flexible thinking and the development of new dendrites in the brain, facilitating communication between brain cells and building new circuits. However, it's important to note that psychedelics don't work for everyone. The stress and demands of modern life can be harmful to the brain's prefrontal cortex, leading to frontal fatigue. This condition makes individuals more vulnerable to mental disorders. To reduce stress and restore balance, engage in hands-on activities indulging the senses' social interaction. Disconnecting from technology and social media whenever possible can also help soothe frontal fatigue. To perform efficiently, the human brain ignores irrelevant data and focuses only on information relevant to the task at hand. This data compression allows the brain to maximize performance while minimizing cost. Understanding how the brain compresses data can guide future studies in various fields, including artificial intelligence and decision-making. Albert Einstein's brain exhibited typical changes associated with aging but also had several unusual features. His parietal lobe lacked a furrow, which may have enhanced connections in that region involved in visuospatial functions and mathematical skills. The complexity and pattern of convolutions on certain parts of Einstein's cerebral cortex increased the region's surface area and could have contributed to his remarkable abilities. Surprisingly, Einstein's brain was smaller than average. The von Economo neuron, found in the brains of humans and certain animals, is big and distinctive in appearance. It is absent in people with some brain diseases and overabundant among superagers, older individuals who don't experience the standard memory loss of aging. Further studies on this neuron may shed light on its role in brain function. MRI scans have shown that the human brain derives pleasure from unexpected events. Surprises, especially when they're good, elicit strong responses from the brain's pleasure center. The anticipation of surprises causes a rush of dopamine, lighting up the nucleus accumbens. Unexpected presents on days other than birthdays are even better because they're unexpected. Neuroimaging studies have revealed that the brain reacts to horror movies, particularly when anxiety slowly increases. Areas associated with visual and auditory processing become more active, and emotional processing, threat evaluation, and decision-making areas increase in activity after a shocking or horrific event.
Stay tuned for a stream of intriguing and amusing facts. Hit follow for more.